democracy. Democracy is first we are studying about where did the word democracy is come here. As we know, democracy is derived from two Latin word, Latin words. First one demo, second one critica. Okay, demo means public as people, or critica to rule. Okay, so what the meaning of democracy as complete whole? That combination of two, demo and critica, public to rule. Okay, so as we hear, public to rule. Okay, now we are, the word meaning is democracy is public to rule. So the defining term of the democracy are, what is the democracy meaning, actual meaning? So we are defining democracy. Different thinkers are provided different definitions, but somehow the brief of democracy we may use as it is a form of government in which the ruler was elected by the people. Okay, now we define the democracy in the definition term. It is a form of government in which the ruler was elected by the people. Okay, so from here we made second definition. It is a system of government. It is a system of government by which whole population system of government by which whole populations or all the people directly or indirectly rule, okay, as a member of society. So these are definitions, and one of eminent scholar Abraham Lincoln also defined as a democracy is the government. Democracy is a form of government form of the government which ensure the rule of people. Okay, it is the form of government which ensure the rule of people. All these definitions, some key terms are we can derive from in this definition. Form of government, first is form of government, system of government, form of government. So we derive the form of government. Okay, form of government, I use the abbreviation GOVT for government. Okay, and which ruler was elected, whole population people directly or indirectly rule. So maybe by the people. Second, people are elected. are elected. So that's why elected. And what type of elected? To rule. First condition to rule or in our society and democracy, which first consent from the people. So these are the basic key points. Consent of people. Consent of people. Okay. So these are the key terms of a definition for democracy. So that's shall we move in next as your wish, that features. What are the important features which make a government as a democratic government, or which have essential feature for a democracy? Okay, so that's the one of the eminent scholar Lincoln defined the government of people. Government democracy is democracy is a government of the people, of the people, for the people, for the people, and by the people. Okay, so if you short and sweet definition given by the Abraham Lincoln, democracy is a government of people, for the people, or by the people. Of the people, for the people, or by the people. They are key terms for the defining democracy. Okay. Now we shall move in next. What are the features? Important features. We like that drive the some kind of. We are derived from the some kind of the key terms from the definition, so we are representing the features. It may be called characteristic of democracy. As your use, features, characteristics, and may be called other way round. So that's first features of democracy. Maybe rulers must be elected. Who is the ruler in the democracy? Which one have elected by the people are as a ruler of democracy. So that's why we are said that ruler must be elected in a democracy. Second feature may be election process. Elected process should be fair and free election process. Free and fair election process means should be ruler should be elected on the basis of fair and free election. It means everyone one vote, one value. Okay, so that's every people have right to vote, and every vote measured as a one value. It's not discriminate in rich and poor, caste basis, class basis, religion basis. So that's one vote, one value. It means free and fair elections for ruler as a elected person. Okay. Now the third, everyone has choice and opportunity to elect. Okay, so every persons have choice and opportunity to or member as a elected member or representative for himself in democracy. So that the third point is choice and opportunity to elect. Okay, now fourth and maybe it exercise these choices lead to government limited by the basic rules. It means all these are principle, some basic rules governed by basic rules. Okay. Some basic rules may be some particular time period for the elections, and who is the nominated as a ruler for elected persons. So that basic rule are confined in the democracy. So it's okay. Now these features derive from the definition of democracy.